So I wish I knew these investment opportunities whilst I was in my 20s. I could have turned my 2,000 Ghana cedis into 500,000 Ghana cedis with these investment tips I'm about to show you. If you're looking for how to invest your money in Ghana or Nigeria to grow your wealth, then make sure to stay till the end of this video because I'm going to show you some incredible investment opportunities that you can use to grow your wealth in 2024. Growing up, I thought savings was the gateway to becoming rich, but it was a lie. Why would you save your money in a bank and get 1 to 3% yearly, whilst you can invest and make over 15% yearly? Savings are important, yes, but use savings as an emergency fund or only consider savings when you want to embark on a project within a short period of time. Let's say you want to save an amount of money to start up your business. Investment options will offer you high interest rates and also save you from inflation at a long run. As at March 2024, inflation in Ghana is around 23.5% and around 23% in Nigeria and 3.2% in the United States. So the 10,000 Ghana cedis you save in the bank in March is not going to be equivalent to 10,000 Ghana cedis in December due to inflation. That is where investment comes in. In this video, we are going to explore 5 incredible investment options that could change your life and potentially build your wealth over time. So grab your notepad and let's get started. Our first investment choice is stocks. Investing in stocks simply means becoming partial owner of a company. In Ghana, you can invest in stocks through the Ghana Stock Exchange. By purchasing shares, you are betting on a company's success and can earn money through capital appreciation and dividends. You can get 8 to 10% yearly dividends on stocks and ETFs instead of leaving your money in a bank for savings. However, know that investing in stocks is way better in a long term rather than a short term goal. If you're looking for a short term option, then we will talk about another investment option in the next point. Imagine investing 13,000 Ghanaian cedis or 1.6 million Nigerian naira, which is around $1,000 into stocks in March 2024. In the next 1 year, you could be making up to 10% dividends and over 20% on Apple stocks if history repeats itself. You will get an interest at the same time, also increase your money in your portfolio. For the past 5 years, Apple stocks have grown over 300% and Tesla growth has been over 800%. So imagine if you invested earlier, you would have made significant amounts of money instead of just saving your money in the bank, getting at most 3% per year from the bank. It's still not too late. You can start investing in stocks with any amount. So if you want to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange or want to buy shares from any Ghanaian company like MTN or Access Bank, you can buy from any licensed broker in Ghana here. I'll put the link in the description below to get the full list of Ghanaian companies and the licensed brokers that you can buy from. If you are looking to invest in foreign companies, then check out Bamboo app. I'll put a link in the description below to register Bamboo so that you can start investing in foreign companies like Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, and many more. You can download Bamboo app from the Apple Play Store and the Google Play Store to start investing right on your phone. You can find the link in the description below to learn how to start investing in US stocks with the Bamboo investment app. Note that I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to make fast money with these investment options that I'm telling you. However, you can make significant amounts of money if you invest in the right ways. So make sure to take note of whatever that I say. Investing in stocks involves risk and stock markets can be volatile. That is why investing in the long term is better for stock investments. It's very important for investors to research in any company that they want to invest in. Make sure that you are investing in the right company and you believe in the company that you are investing in for the right choice. Make sure you are investing in companies that also pays dividend. The next investment option is fixed deposits. If you're looking for a low risk investment option, then fixed deposit is a great choice. So you deposit a specific amount with a bank for a period of time, and in return, you will receive a fixed interest rate. Based on your instructions, at the end of the agreed period of time, the investment can be rolled over or liquidated. with the interest amount end. So you can either reinvest it or you can withdraw your money and go with the interest rates you've made. Fixed deposit is a secured investment with a guarantee return, making it an ideal option for people who prioritize stability. Fixed deposit offers higher interest rate than a normal savings account. And it's an ideal option if you have a specific goal that you want to save into, like a wedding, vacation, or even a house that you want to build. Fixed deposit is a great option for you with a plan. So instead of just leaving it in the bank idle, you can invest in a fixed deposit for a period of time and withdraw it and use it for the goals that you've planned of. I'll put some links in the description below for some of the bank's interest rates on fixed deposit. So over here, you can see the different types of fixed interest rates on different banks and the different amounts that you can invest in. So we have the ADB, the Data Bank, and the commercial bank. They all have their minimum amount and they all have different interest rates on the amount that you save in. One thing you need to take note on fixed deposit is you cannot withdraw your funds from your fixed deposits during the term of your investment. If you end your investment earlier than the time that is supposed to mature, you may be required to pay a penalty or lose your interest that you've gained. You can get your investment and your accrued interest only after the due date. So the third investment option here is Treasury bills. Treasury bills are short-term investment option backed by the Bank of Ghana on behalf of the government, with maturities ranging from 91, 180, and 364 days. So this is how Treasury bill works. The government borrows from we, the individuals and companies that have invested in Treasury bills to finance government projects, then pay you back with an interest at the end of 91, 180, or 364 days. So in December 2023, the government of Ghana borrowed 94.9 billion from the Treasury bills that people invested to finance its expenditure. Treasury bills are considered low risk and they offer simple but yet effective ways to earn interest on your money while keeping it safe. So with Treasury bills, the bank acts as an intermediary and purchases government securities on behalf of their customers. So with the 91 and 182-day bills, interest can be discounted upfront and the bill again is rediscounted before maturity. So meaning it can be redeemed before maturity. The current rate on Treasury bills in Ghana ranges from 15 to about 26% as at March 2024. Some of the advantages of Treasury bill is that it has a higher interest rate over fixed deposits, and also it is backed by the government of Ghana, so there is no fear of losing your money to anyone. You can buy Treasury bills from any bank, even on MTN app. If you want to learn how to buy Treasury bills on MTN app, make sure to check the link in the description below or check my channel on how to buy Treasury bills with MTN mobile money. Now let's talk about another important investment option, which is mutual funds. Mutual funds are managed by investment firms. Mutual funds pool money from investors like you and I to create a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. So this provides you with instant diversification and the expertise of professional fund managers. Mutual funds are fantastic ways to invest without having to pick individual stocks. So basically, mutual funds are investment options where a firm select different types of stocks and bonds to join together to form a big portfolio where you have so many options to reduce the potential of losing all your money. So this offer helps investors to always have many options instead of choosing one stock which may be volatile. If you want to buy mutual funds in Ghana, then you can use the Ghana Stock Exchange. You will need to register with a licensed broker on the Ghana Stock Exchange website to get an account set up for you, where you can track your portfolio anytime, anywhere. If you also want to invest in US companies with ETFs like the S&P 500, you can register with Bamboo and download the app on Play Store or App Store to start investing right on your phone with just some simple clicks. You can check the link in the description below to register your Bamboo account. So the last investment option is bonds. Bonds are investment opportunities whereby you lend your money to the government or a company for a period of time with an interest applied due to the terms of agreement. It's a form of a loan whereby a body like the government will secure to finance a long-term or a short-term project. In this case, you will lend your money to the government on a promise that the government will pay you back after a specific period of time. The interest on a bond, however, can be paid in intervals of 6 months or a year. Bonds are reliable and a safe way to grow your money, especially if you do not have a pressing need for that money. Bonds are steady and reliable ways to grow your wealth over a long period of time. So you can invest in bonds in Ghana here through a bond market. And the bond market in Ghana is facilitated by the Ghana Fixed Income Market. When you decide to buy a bond, in other words, to lend your money to the government or a company, you have to go to what is called the bond market. This is a marketplace where players buy and sell bonds. The bond market in Ghana is established by some key stakeholders in the financial markets led by the Bank of Ghana, Ghana Stock Exchange, securities bankers, the Ministry of Finance, financial market associations, and licensed dealing members of the Ghana Stock Exchange. If you want to buy or sell bonds, you may need to do that by engaging either with banks or licensed dealing members, also known as brokers. These are companies that buy and sell securities on behalf of investors for a fee or a commission. I'll put a link in the description below to learn more about bonds in Ghana. So these are 5 fantastic ways to invest your money in Ghana or Nigeria or any part of the world. Remember, before diving into any investment, it's crucial to assess your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And as always, invest wisely. See you in my next video.